It is tax season and time to start filling out those returns, but this year you may be getting back less than you think.
All right. News 9's Jordan Daphnis live with what tax experts say you need to know. Jordan, good morning.
Is right. A lot of people are feeling that right now as they're filing their tax returns, and that's because COVID caused some temporary changes that ended up lasting a few years. Well, the time has come. They're going to expire.
The average refund has dropped about $400, and that's because of COVID-related legislation that gave them credits and deductions that have now expired or didn't apply in 2022.
Shiny Matthew with Poston Tax says some of the changes include how much you can get back for charitable donations, the earned income tax credit, and child care.
You could claim up to $8,000 of child care expenses before. That's been reduced back down.
Because of the pandemic, the average Oklahoman is going to notice some major differences they have never seen before.
You haven't had this whopping drop in refunds the way we're seeing now because we never had a pandemic hit.
Matthew says to file your taxes electronically to get your return back faster and to file early to avoid fraud.
If you file your tax return after someone else has already used your social security number, it's going to get dinged.
If your taxes are simple and straightforward, Matthew says filing on your own may be just fine. But if you have any hesitations, she recommends having a professional file for you to avoid an audit.
And if you don't feel comfortable filing your own tax return, then don't. I'm not recommending somebody who doesn't feel comfortable to prepare their own tax return.
And Matthew says a lot of times she gets the questions, should I do a standardized or itemized deduction? Well, she says a majority of Americans take that standardized deduction. Live this morning, Jordan Daphnis, Oklahoma's Own News 9.